Hi everyone, I'm Gigi, or Super Tiger from the Petaluma Library, and I'm here to show you how to make your very own superhero costume with our crafting materials. So we've got three things. We've got a mask, a cape, and a shield. We are going to start with the mask. You should have a mask cut out just like this, and you can use a lot of different things to decorate these. I've got some markers and some colored pencils, and I also have something that you might have, which is these little sticky gems that just stick right on the paper. So let's see what I can do with these materials. Now, once you have your mask decorated, you want to take this stretchy string and tie it around one side of the mask, just in a knot like that. Then you can measure it around your head, make sure it's the right size, and tie it on the other end. And there you have your superhero mask. Alright, next we have our superhero cape. These are super fun because you've got a really big canvas to work on to draw whatever you would like. But to draw on this kind of material, we need some special tools. So we have our fabric markers here that are designed just to work on this sort of thing. I've got a few colors I'm picking out here, trying to maybe stick with some real bright colors, just like with my mask. And let's see how I can decorate my very own superhero cape. Finally, we have our shield. These come stapled with a handle at the back for you to put on your arm. And once again, I've got my little sticky gems to decorate with, as well as my pens and colored pencils. And I also have these lovely stars, cut out stars, and some glue. So let's see what I end up with. Alright, there is my beautiful shield to go along with my beautiful cape and my beautiful mask. I hope you enjoy making your own as well.